welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be all about FaceTory. I am all about it. June 2020. I am absolutely such a fan of K-Beauty in general, and I have missed them. I have not even been wearing any sheet mask lately. June has been such a crazy month. I don't even know where to start. If you want to know what FaceTory is all about, check it out. I have been so busy, especially these last 2 weeks, still trying to adjust here in New York. Phase 2 just started today. I am so excited. I was able to do my eyebrows. Oh, let's talk about that because that made me the happiest all day today, and I couldn't wait to create this video all about FaceTory. So I didn't want a mask today. I wanted to just feel so happy that I have my eyebrows done. That was one of the reasons, and that just gave me a little motivation to start uploading videos. On the other hand, it's just been crazy trying to still finish up homeschooling and getting things together, and now I'm back. Let's get straight into this. This is FaceTory Luxe. It's 7 sheet mask every single month for $19.99. I've been with them close to 3 years, I could say. I have experienced K-Beauty way before I decided to start uploading videos. So I am all about it. I absolutely love it. And it does make me so excited to place a sheet mask on my skin and feel the essentials just absorbing into my skin and just making it better. I do receive FaceTory early in the month, so I did receive both my 7 Luxe, and I do have my FaceTory up there, plus it's a seasonal box. I do have it ready for that video. I should be uploading sometime the ending of this week. That particular box is a summer waiting to be open, so it's all about that vibe. And look at this pamphlet, so cute. So these are all my 7 sheet masks that we're going to be talking about today. And I noticed a goodie. This must be an extra, but that was nice of them. It looks like I got 8, so this is nice. Thank you so much, FaceTory. I am so going to enjoy it. Then we get a bonus every single month. With FaceTory Luxe, we do get a bonus item, a full-size bonus item. That is a really good extra there. For $19.99 a month, all these sheet masks to try, plus an extra full-size bonus. And there is going to be FaceTory sheet mask giveaway that I am going to be announcing for July. So that is exciting as well. As for all the FaceTory lovers or sheet mask lovers, there is a discount code down below that you are able to use. You do get a 20% discount, and there is Mondays and Fridays where you get some great sales that you're able to combine it with that coupon as well. And I am affiliated with FaceTory close to a year. I'm so excited about it because I absolutely do love FaceTory no matter what. Even if I was not getting a discount, not affiliated or affiliated, or any of that perks that we get, I would always pay for this subscription in full price just because I am absolutely a lover. And I do pay every month for this subscription because I am affiliated with FaceTory. I do always get like this month, it looks like I got a free sheet mask. Then I get all my points. I get to use discounts. And girls, thank you so much for using my referral code down below. I so appreciate it because I have noticed on my account it's increasing. So I do get to pay my subscription with the money that I accumulate with all you girls' support with this nice sheet mask. That means I am noticing that you girls love it the same way I do, and so much fun to take care of our skin. By the way, reviewing FaceTory is so much fun. Let's talk about it. Who loves FaceTory? What is your skin type? What do you enjoy the most when you have your spa moment? Where do you keep your sheet mask? And do you like the character ones? Do you like the ones that have more essentials or refreshing, hydration? Let me know down below what you love, because I'm going to start randomly picking girls. And I'm going to send sheet masks to the girls that absolutely love and enjoy spa and me time moments. And me reviewing FaceTory and enjoying it at the same time, it just makes it better for me to be able to share the sheet mask with you girls, not only because you're using my referral code, but it's just that appreciation. So if I get to enjoy a FaceTory box or FaceTory gift that I get for you girls signing up and receiving sheet mask, it's only so much exciting for me to say thank you. Just because it makes me feel that you girls are enjoying that me time, spa moment, relaxing, 10 to 15 minutes. It's all about us. And it definitely does make a difference, because you are taking care of yourself. And it's all about it. And it's that vibe, connection with your skin and the essentials and all that good stuff. And you just feel happy. You really, really feel happy when you think about yourself first, to be able to just go along with it and everybody else around you and feel that love. That is my main concern about just loving self moments. So I just noticed down here, all the FaceTory subscribers are going to be receiving an extra mask. I received this one. Down below, let's talk about it. Which one did you receive? I was thinking I was getting a gift to myself, and I'm over here saying thank you so much. But yes, FaceTory, thank you so much for this extra goodie, a bonus mystery mask surprise we included in our extra mask for our FaceTory fam. So girls that are subscribed to FaceTory, let's talk about it. What I received is a makeover mask, calendula flower. That is the main ingredient, and that is a really good ingredient because it's calming and moisturizing. I have used that ingredient. I love it, and it is soothing, and it's firming. So it's going to be firming our skin, and it has the pure cotton 100%. I like when the sheet mask is cotton because it really absorbs that essentials into your skin. I have noticed the difference with the materials, and the cotton one is really good. Yeah, it is moisturizing mask with calendula flower extracts that helps moisture skin, 100% natural. I like that. And yeah, the nutrients, 10 to 20 minutes. Quick, there's a little tip here, how to sheet mask. Cleanse and tone. Apply the mask for 10 to 20 minutes. I normally do 15 just because I kind of know my skin. Once you get to know your skin, you'll know what are the minutes. So we all different. Some have the tingling, some have a little bit of sensation. So I kind of know it's like 15 minutes, and then I leave those essentials on my skin overnight, and that is when I get that real feeling. I do not wash it off. I never put any water. I just leave it the whole night, and the next morning it's just like really in there. And I like the way it texturizes my skin. Remove the mask and pat down all the remaining essentials. That is what I normally do, and I do follow that tip to the T. Before I start this, I do want to talk about my favorite K-Beauty product for the past month. Absolutely love it. The Pure Heals by The Natural Village. It is a sleeping pack full of nutrients, and the main ingredient, honey. And this is such a life savior. Every time I feel like my skin is irritated, or like a little bit of breakout here and there, like little tiny little things on my skin from the sun exposure or anything to do with irritation, I sleep with this, leave it on my skin, and I always wake up so much soother and smoother and texturizes 100%. I'll show you the texture and everything I have used. That it's like, I still have a lot. I did receive this, I think it was in my spring box from Facetory Luxe Plus, I believe. But this texture, it's just that honey mixed with all that other Propolis 80 sleeping pack. And I have enjoyed it. It's mostly honey, because that is what I'm feeling, and it does have like hydration and it has water. But I will put a few of the ingredients up here of the main first two lines. But let's talk about it. Who has used it? Who is loving it? And K-Beauty, let's talk about it. So 7 Luxe, yeah, it's June. This month you'll find sheet masks that will help calm your skin with soothing and hydrating ingredients like cica, honey, watermelon, and more. Let's take time to enjoy that sweetness of life. Yeah, they are so good. Facetory fam really gets into their theme. They're so detailed, and they're like happy girls. And you girls make me happy, because there's always such a nice presentation. Thank you so much. This is so cheerful. My first sheet mask is the Dewy Tree Cica 100 mask. A super gentle and extra satisfying sheet. Why does Facetory love it? This extra calming mask only contains centella. I love centella. I am all about it. This mask doesn't leave our skin feeling sticky or tacky afterwards. Yes, that is one of my main things about feeling tacky, especially because the stickiness, I usually always dab it with water or a cloth and it goes away. But tacky, I don't like at all. So far with my Korean K-Beauty products, I haven't felt that yet. So yeah, it's so great. $3 value price for this sheet mask. The main ingredient, centella, a gentle yet powerful ingredient that helps speed up the skin's healing process. Yeah, centella is amazing. Next sheet mask is Yada Under the Sea Mask Pack. I like this brand so far. They are pretty decent, and I have seen some amazing texturizing my skin with it. I use it for my under eye. Yada is pretty good. This sheet mask helps boost skin elasticity and deeply hydrating the skin. Elasticity. Okay, let me try to pronounce that. Bear with me. I am going to put it down here. The main ingredients. This sheet mask is $3.50 value price. And yeah, it does have an 100% natural cotton with the ingredient seaweed that boosts up the elasticity. And I like that. The second main ingredient is the vulgaris extract, a skin conditioning ingredient that contains anti-aging benefits. That is a plus. Yeah, some of the pronunciations of the Korean translation to English throws me off. Next, sheet mask, lift up mushroom mask. A skin protecting sheet mask that provides the skin with anti-aging benefits, soothe, moisturizing, and strengthen your skin. Why does Face Story love it? In addition to this mask being extra moisturizing, it also does great job brightening our skin. We love using this mask at night to wake up soothing and moisturizing for the day. Now, the main ingredients is obviously the mushroom extracts. This ingredient moisturizes and nourishes your skin and soothes out fine lines and wrinkles. That is always a plus. I am all about the anti-aging ingredients. This is a $3 value price. Next one looks pretty. This is a nice packaging. I love anything to do with designs of paradise. It's all about it. It's a Desire Paradise Pack, a lightweight and hydrating sheet mask that nourishes and revitalizes the skin. Why does Face Story love it? This mask has a gel-like texture. I like gel. And the mask material feels super soft. We love how relaxing this mask feels. Main ingredients: flower extract, the rhubarb flower. Moisturizing ingredients that also contains anti-inflammatory. I like anything that is anti-inflammatory because it does help calm and soothe the skin. Definitely all about that. The value price of this sheet mask is $2.50. And the next main ingredient is a Sabdrifa flower extract. I hope I said that right. A skin balancing ingredient that helps renew the skin while controlling breakouts. That is absolutely a plus. I'm all about it. The next one is either or. So you're either going to get the purple one or the turquoise. I am so happy I got the turquoise because lately this color, I'm all about it. It's like that vibe. The summer one. So it's from Wonder Sheet Mask Honey Green Aqua Bomb. That sounds nice. $3 value price. Main ingredients. It's a green tea with honey. Calming and protecting. This ingredient helps the skin stay clear and soft. I like this. And it has the fruit leaf ferment extract. This ingredient contains powerful antioxidants to revitalize the skin. Why does Face Story love it? This sheet mask provides our skin with our burst of nutrients. We notice our skin looks brighter and healthier after applying the sheet mask. 10 to 15 minutes. It's all about that brightening. Next sheet mask is so much fun. Look at this packaging. So nice. So refreshing. Dermatological testing watermelon complex sheet mask. I like this. And it's from Holika. Did I say it? Holika. You know. It's a $3 value price, and it's all about that brightening. The main ingredients, watermelon fruit extract. This ingredient helps brighten the skin and also contains antioxidants to help protect the skin barrier. I always like sheet masks that protect our skin because I do always wake up nice and refreshed. And watermelon, I could imagine the smell. Why does Face Story love? This is a sheet mask, feels super gentle on your skin and gives our complexion a lovely radiance. Nice, $3 value price, not bad. Watermelon. Our last sheet mask is a goodie. It's a 2-step. I always feel like I use it when I have like that spa moment, that extra TLC. And I am such a fan of their ingredients. This is a real vitamin C power mask Why does FaceTory love it? We love sheet masks that contain multiple steps. I do too. I really do, like a treatment for our skin. This one combines a vitamin C power and an ultra comfortable sheet mask for that ultimate at-home spa experience. Yeah, that's exactly how I feel. This is a $5 value price. I cannot wait. This is going to be all over my Instagram. Our bonus product, it is a full-size one, is a Balance Mist Oil Cut. That one is interesting. The main ingredient, silica. This ingredient absorbs oil and sweat and leaves your face feeling refreshed. Absolutely, I am all about it. My skin is so oily in the summer, and I look at the texture I like, and there's a little mist. It has a nice, this has a nice scent. Like this, $15 value price. Why does FaceTory love it? The pH mist helps balance our skin and readjust the pH balance of our skin. The oil cut mist helps balance our skin to ensure it's not too oily and not too dry. Both are amazing for our skin and helps add that lovely glow. Oh, I am absolutely all about it. I cannot wait. Oil cut. Nice. We are done with our FaceTory unboxing. Please stay tuned to my my FaceTory Luxe Plus summer box. I am all about it, and I will be announcing a little sheet mask giveaway with that box video that should be up sometime this week. Keep your eyes open on that. It's going to be so much fun, and it does absolutely have that summer vibe. Girls, thank you so much for being part of Love Your Skin. And don't forget, I have a giveaway and another giveaway and just one more giveaway going on right now. Thank you so much for following me on Instagram, subscribing to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for really connecting with me and learning about skincare. And for the girls that are just starting back on skincare, I am absolutely loving that connection that we have. I so do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video.